Hi, Jen.
Amy? We're stuck. Oh. No, I'm hot. Can we turn on the AC? Oh, we're going into one lane. Okay, say goodbye for now.
Bye for now.
Say goodbye for now.
Bye.
Bye. Say hello.
Hello.
I'll zoom up on the...
Here we are in Brownfield, Maine.
Mm-hmm.
River Run Canoe Rental Entrance.
Smile, biggest smile.
Say hi, Amy.
Hello.
Alright.
Soon to be heading down to our luxurious wilderness campsite.
Mm-hmm.
Nice mountain view off to our right.
There we go. Now we have the date and time up there. Beautiful. We got the mountains in the background. The puppy scratch. Now he's gonna be licking his bum. Thanks, I caught that on tape. Eh?
Thank you. My money for this? Let's see, it's $10. $10 a foot? $10 an inch. Thanks, man.
Steve, say hi.
Hi there.
Hello. How are we leaving?
Are we leaving now? Go over to the campsite? Let's just go. I already checked in. I already paid.
Come here, dog.
Where's F3? You know? F3? That's down there.
You and like Steve and Dave are the only ones in my pictures. Getting the full shot? Yes. Well, the guys will miss my last shot. What are they going to get to eat? They're getting stuff to eat. I don't know why. I have so much food. What? Oh. All right.
Hey, Dave. Did you mention anything about that? Hey, Dave. All of one was the old Didn't it? The one that was playing hide and seek for a little while. So you can know kind of move.
Buster, Missy. Buster will bite him. Yeah, Missy. Watch him with Buster.
Okay. This is enough till tomorrow. Yep, I'm filming. That's where we just came from? Want to see everybody? I'm filming. Yeah. No, I'll get Buster. I just had to put that image stabilization.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're all safe. We're on the river now. Big relief, isn't it?
Push me up to somebody so I can get, you know, footage. I want some footage. There's SB. Oh, where is he? I can't find him.
A large group of people.
Scott!
Warning, class 5 rapids. 5 miles.
There is not, is there?
There's one rapid, but there might be a little ripply this year, maybe.
We're the first ones on the river.
Looks to me like it's almost like it was. Come here, Jen.
Wait, I'm trying to find you. All right, I got ya. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Wave or do something. Scott Benna!
Don't tip the canoe.
Ah, yeah, do not tip the canoe.
How was that?
You asshole.
And that's at 8 in the morning.
I know.
Well, this is a family show.
Yeah, this is a family show.
Tools and everything.
Yeah.
Fucked up all my beers in the bottom of a cooler.
Watch your language.
Hey, it's a family show. You can censor that out.
I want to turn around and get you, Dave. Hi.
Hey, get out of there.
Prepared to walk.
Sue and Mike, that's what I keep doing. Missy, Kevin.
Okay.
You want me to wave to you again, Jen?
No, Scott, I do not. Hey, Missy and Brian, look and say hello. Say hi. Brian. Brian. Brian.
Iggy, wave hi. Wave hi to the camera.
Do it.
Here's my chemise right here.
I got eggs a little lower. I got a 5 eggs. I got 6 eggs.
I think I brought some cam spray. Did you? I might have. I gotta check.
I think Dave's gonna bottom his ass right out. Shit.
Wow, we're getting really low.
Trying to keep us straight here.
What's wrong?
Look at how shallow this shit is.
We're gonna run aground. Oh no! Ah!
It's alright.
Easy, easy, easy.
It's a tragedy.
Where's our
Hey,
other half?
bye! Oh, sorry about it.
Yeah, real slow.
What's he got, a toy?
A little
It's a dick
chewy.
paw.
It's the best babysitter I ever bought.
Didn't fall apart.
I know that joke.
Kevin Kelly. At least we can steer.
Just waiting.
How much you sell those tapes for, Jen? $50 a whack?
Yeah, right.
We gotta go around the badge somewhere.
Beep, beep.
You'll have to get tonight on the beach too.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
Yeah, because there'll be new
air horn.
Yes, David?
What are you doing?
I'm filming you in the tent
You are.
at our campsite.
It's hot.
It is hot. What do you think the temperature is?
Inside the tent or outside
I don't know either.
I think inside the tent's about 90.
No, outside isn't too cool either.
Nope, not really.
No. All right, you want to film some?
In a minute. Did you get some campsite footage?
Well, I'm getting it right now.
Everybody all set up?
I'm getting it right now. Everyone's just about set up. Except I don't know where Amy and Steve are. It's so nice out. We have perfect weather. Huh. Hello. Alright, you want tape?
In a few minutes.
Okay. There's our canoe. I don't even know if those are the people we came with.
We need the outside people.
SB. Okay, that's it for now. So here we are, back at the campsite. Boys.
I got another package.
Yeah. Scott. Hello. Lane.
Yeah, that's burgers we just
Lane.
Oh, it's funny. His little brother, his girlfriend, said, "Oh, that's nasty." Go bite out of the burger. He looks at it. Grabs another bite out of the burger. He's like,
Ooh,
"That's
super
pretty damn
zone.
good."
Good stuff. Always willing to try something.
Oh, I will. I'll try anything once.
And if someone's home, they went out of their way to prepare something, I'll eat it.
I'll
Okay,
try
buddy.
anything once. I ain't saying I'll eat it again, but I'll try it. No.
We'll take a walk down to the water.
You're missing something.
Right? I've had friends, they had a rattlesnake. I'm like, oh, that's pretty nasty sound. But hey, it could be good. I've tried frog legs. I've tried everything. I actually like it. I thought it tasted like fish. The way my father's cooking it tasted like fish.
Yeah, we're recording. Yeah. Okay.
We'll come down to the water and get everybody else.
Okay. Smile. Hey.
Look, my foot got burnt. Look. Got burnt pretty bad, huh?
Zooming in on the foot.
Yeah. See?
Wow.
That was a bug bite, but my knees look a little red. Is my face red? Don't look at the, well, the camera's not going to tell you if it's red or not.
I don't know. Okay. Go for a walk.
Come on. We'll say hi to everybody.
You can't reach your beer? Oh, okay. Just lay there then.
It's tough walking on the sand. Can't keep the camera straight.
Okay.
There it is. Oh, we were just looking for that. Someone said you had. Someone said, where are you going?
We're gonna. Everybody say hi.
Square up. Can I do a square up?
Get everybody.
Hi, Tay.
What is this?
It's been high.
Amy, everybody, Brian, Colleen. Wave to the camera.
Wave what at the camera?
Your hand. I already had an ass in my camera. I don't want any more private body
Oh
shots.
my God!
Hi, Brian. Hi, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my God! You better cut that frame for my break.
Ken, we got cigarettes and beers. We gotta wait a minute.
Ted.
We were looking for that before we had them, though.
All right.
What's here?
Swim across.
That's the best thing.
It's here. It's ready.
Ken, did you say hi?
Across.
Did Dave,
Come this
gotta
way.
get everybody.
Hi.
There he is.
It's nice to see you. You know, I've missed you since I've seen you last. I love the way you wear those tight shorts.
You know.
No, you're the camera.
Did you get Brian?
Yeah, I think we got Brian.
Yeah, did you get the whole campsite?
Thanks, Brian.
It's really not crowded this year at all. There's so many more people last year.
Hey now.
Wasn't there more people last year than there was this year?
No, Christ,
Yes,
no.
sir.
More this year than last year. Oh, you mean?
No, like in general, like all over the river. That place was like packed last year.
McMahon, what's he doing?
Why?
Just waking up.
Because of the sand.
There he is.
What an ugly son of a bitch he is.
Oh, up in the trees.
Huh? Missy's going to the bathroom over there.
Yay.
Hey, Lenny! Did you say hi?
Oh, I'd love to say hi. Wait, let me do a little dance.
Get the dog, little Rodney. He's walking right by me here.
It's my first time operating the camera.
Yeah, it's only his ass.
Okay. All right.
We're having some good times. And are you going to fade out?
Try.
Oh, you have to set up the fade in a certain way, so forget it. Unless you want to give it to me, give it to me.
Wait a minute.
Give it to me and I will fade it out. I like my scenes faded.
Hey, where'd you go?
Sorry, I had to... There we go. We're fading. Out. There we go. Hello, Davy.
Hello.
Say hello, Jenny. Say that. Say it. Say it. All right, fine. I was what? No, I just faded it back in again. My tape is half used, but my battery isn't.
You're bumming. You're bumming.
Big time.
I thought you only tried cool.
Amy! Amy! We have you many times.
Yeah.
That's it. I don't know who those people are.
And I'm on the sun all day.
Alright, I'm gonna fade it out again, Dave. Alright there, kiddo? We'll get some festivities later. Alright.
Campfire stuff.
Campfire stuff.
Pete, one of you is Pete.
Get the super soaker?
It's getting cold.
No, that's okay.
Where'd the sun go?
Is the river all filled up?
God, you freaking brought him over with you. They don't like it over here because of the smoke. Guys, we've been doing fine over here.
Dave's sleeping. What is this? Oh. Okay, enough for tonight. What do you, Dave, I have this in my hand. What are you doing? Oh my God.
Kids.
around. Someone's gonna lose an eye.
Hey.
What's up there, Steve-O? You look puzzled.
Hey.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Lighting off the firecrackers?
Not me. Dave,
Look at you.
got one?
Jen, you did it. You know you
Yeah. Say hi, guys.
too. Are your legs dry?
No.
No, mine.
Amy's a wicked drag.
Yeah. I think it's from that bug spray.
Probably. I have so many layers of crap on me.
Do you?
Bug spray, suntan lotion, bug spray.
Do you?
Yeah. Hey guys. Oh, it's wicked. It's deep here. What are these rocks?
Oh, Steve, don't. What, us falling over?
Did get bitten last time. Remember again?
Hi guys.
Come here, Iggy. Hold this.
Hi.
Hello.
I liked that when you did that about the ring. I thought that was really funny.
I lost one.
Blaine said, I found a damn ring. I found a damn ring. Is it anybody's there? His mother, she goes, that's mine. They just started crying.
Yeah, right.
Some year, Hunter.
Some year, right, Dave?
What?
Some year. Just say yeah.
Hi.
Diamond ring for me?
That rock.
As big as Missy's.
The longer you want a diamond, the longer you want one, you wait.
Got a cigarette.
Right? Yeah, Jen, you could do that.
What?
Each year you have to wait, you get another carrot.
Ooh, it's been 2 so far. I'm liking
Oh,
that.
yeah, but you probably didn't want one the first year.
Oh, come on.
Half carrot up there.
Oh, jeez. Alright.
Why? I didn't wait around for you. As soon as I told you I wanted to get married, you got me a ring.
Oh, that's good. Is that supposed to snap all the way down? That's why we gotta put it in with that thing in. Yeah. Let's get, come on.
Dave.
Hold it, coming off. Ew.
Hello.
Trying to rig up the stove here.
Have you had it on there? Yeah.
Almost got it.
Oh yeah, now you can.
It's so gorgeous out.
Go all the way down. Just so I can look at this one. It's got the thing straight maybe. Because I was doing this other night and I was having a time with the damn thing.
This is our packed canoe.
Oh, maybe this has to be off. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
That makes sense.
Okay.
So you don't blow yourself up.
Okay, wait a second. Yeah, it's lit. Okay, so it's all
Cool.
set.
Thanks, buddy.
Take care of it. Yeah. Brand spanking new.
What do we go for?
30. I got this in $39.99.
Yeah.
Benny's and they sell for $50-something.
Where'd you get it?
Benny's?
Benny's. Where's Benny's?
Benny.
Oh, Benny's.
Benny. Benny and a jazz.
Can't get me!
Who needs a canoe?
I didn't know Scott was over there.
I didn't either.
Hey, land!
Dave, those cigarettes are gone.
I must fix my soul.
Oh, is Scott gonna go up there and do this? I have got to see this.
He is, and you get your camera on.
He'll do something stupid. He's too drunk. Oh, God.
You really can't find them.
Where is it?
That is not like you to say anything.
We're guys. We can say
Jennifer, control your boyfriend.
Yeah, right.
I know.
Yeah, I just been so love my friend. Figured I'd leave it there until we get down with it.
Somebody's going to have to go save Scott.
Don't look back, son! Keep swimming! Don't look back!
I'm drowning! I'm drowning! Risky, risky. I lost my scrunchie.
It'll float by us.
Well, I'll probably see it.
Are you trying to get the water out of your ears again?
Oh, hello.
Scott, I thought you were gonna jump off the rope. I was taping you.
No.
I was like, turn around.
This way you
Stand of it.
No.
Uh-oh, I think I am.
I saw it and then I let go. I was going to do a flip and I felt it on my leg. I'm like, hanging.